Anyone on live? Hello everyone. Welcome to SP Global Group channel. So today is the first class for the aptitudes. So this is first introductory class. We will discuss how we will do classes on this SP Global Group for the aptitudes. So today we are discussing how this aptitude is very important. So this aptitude is important for every student who is ready for giving the interview for the IT sectors, that is the IT companies. And this aptitude is also important for the banking student who is preparing for the banking exam and SSC exam and other government exams. So you know well that is normally a student feel that aptitude is what just like a math, so what we studied up to the 10th level, but it's not true. So aptitude is what where we will solve the same question what we have solved up to the 10th class in the previous class, but in aptitude we will solve this question with a very simple technique in a very few time. This is the main difference. So in aptitude, there are lot of different topics. So the most important topic is what? Just like number systems. In number system, in every exam, there will be a lot of questions comes. So every student can solve this question very easily. But time factor is main. How can we solve this question very easily in a very few time? So for this, we need simple technique. Okay. In the same way, there is a topic of percentage. This percentage topic is very important because in every exam there is a question based on percentage. Okay. And in percentage, so you can say that this percentage is used in very different topic also, uh, just like what there is a profit and loss topic. So in profit and loss topic, lot of questions, you can say 80% of the questions are solved with the help of the percentage technique. Okay. So percentage is the most important. So we will divide, you can say, easy to high level of percentage question, easy to high level of percentage question. Okay. So we will divide all the question in a part that is zero to high level. So type number one, type number two, type number three, so that every student can understood very easily from zero to high level. Okay. In the same way, we will start just like the profit and loss. So we will give you the some basic rules and basic funda. After that, we will solve the same question by the basic rule and the tricky approach, so that you will check it how we are saving our time when we are solving with the help of the trick. So lot of tricks in, you can say, that is cost price and selling price. We will solve that questions also. In the same way, we will start the next topic, that is ratio and proportion. So this ratio and proportion topic is also very important. Okay, because in every topic, this is also just like there is a age related problem, there also we will use ratio and proportion topics. Okay, so we will go for deep knowledge of ratio and proportion, and we will solve the question with ratio proportion, that is basic, and after that we will show you the trick. Yeah, how can we solve the ratio and proportion question with a trick, and we will save our time. Okay, and after that we will go for the next topic, that is a speed, distance and time topic. This is also very important, speed, distance, time, most important topic. In every exam there is a questions. So in a speed, distance, time topic, we will divide question depending on purely a speed, distance, time. And then second group we will take that is train based questions. And after that we will discuss about boards and stream questions. So every question we will solve with basic, and after that we will say same question with a trick, so that you will understood how we are saving our time with the with our simple technique method. Okay, in the same way we will start next our topic, which is very important, just like simple interest and compound interest. The simple interest, compound interest questions are generally asked in every exam, in software placement exam, interview exams, and banking and SSC exams also. So in every exam, these topics, that is simple interest and compound interest, are asked. So we will discuss first basic method for solving the question of simple interest and compound. After that, we will solve the same question of simple interest with the help of our simple technique, and we will check it how we are saving our time with using the basic technique. Okay, in the same way, in this time we are seeing that in every aptitude question there is a question of probability. So this probability topic is also very important. Okay, so this probability topic is in 10th class, 11th class and 12th class also. But in aptitude, there is a level of question of probability. So simply up to 10th level, and some questions of 11th questions also, which are very technical questions, because aptitude means logical and technical questions are generally asked, not a high level questions of probability. Okay, so we will give you the you can say that is the standard type of the questions of probability which are generally asked in aptitudes. So I have a lot of experience of the question setting also. So I will give you the selected question of probability which are generally asked in aptitude exams. Okay. In the same way, when we are solving the question in nowadays, lot of questions come from the concept of permutation and combination. So this permutation and combination is also start in 11th class. Okay, but there is a slightly, this is called logical thing. So there is a lot of questions in this time asked in banking also, SSC also. Okay, and there is a software placement drive. There is a questions of a permutation and combination. So we will discuss in this class lot of things about the permutation and combination also. Okay, so we will start permutation combination from zero to high up to the medium level where with the aptitude questions, because in YouTube we don't understand what is the level of our student who is watching our videos and watching our live classes. So we will start the focus on zero level. Okay, so from zero level to high level we will do this question so that you will understood very easily. So we will give you the simple technique, simple basic formula of the permutation and combination, difference between the permutation and combination, and lot of things which are important for aptitudes. Okay, in the same way there is a questions of calendar. So in this time calendar questions are generally every exams there is a 2 3 questions of calendars come. So I will give you the technique how can you solve in a very few seconds of the calendar questions also. And there is a some questions comes in reasoning and aptitude also, that is the missing terms. So missing terms question, that is there are a lot of different technique to solve this the missing question. So I will give you the very simple technique. You will see the questions and you will give the answer directly only by watching the question, seeing the question. You can give your answer directly. So I will discuss about that topic also. And there is some logical questions. So you know what is the difference between logical, I mean, just like logical questions are given in a simple logic way. You have to check what logic is going on first, second and third, and same logic will be applied for the 4. So this type of questions we will discuss. Okay. So every type of questions we will discuss in this aptitude class. So every day you can say there is a time for a live class on this channel, that is SP Global Guru channel. 5 to 6 will be aptitude class daily. Okay. So you join and just check what is the difference, how you are improving yourself in the aptitudes. So I'm giving us some example, just like you see for the number system, suppose. So in number system, we will start from zero. Just like how many total number of digit in mathematics. When this question I ask lot of students, there is a students group of the 150, 200, sometimes 500. Then we ask the question, mostly student give the answer incorrect. The total number of digit in mathematics, because they no idea what is the difference between the digit and the number. Okay. So total number of digit in mathematics is what? That is total number digit is 10. With that is 0 to 9. With the help of the 10 digit, we are making so many numbers. In the same way, when we ask the student, you better tell how many one number digit, how many total number of one digit. Again, mostly students confuse and they start, there is the answer is 10 and something different. But you know, correct answer is what? So correct answer is 9, because 0 is not a number, it is simply a digit. So total number of one digit is what? Only 9. 1 to 9 is the total number of digit. Okay. In the same way, if we are, this is a technique. If anyone asks you, you say me total number of two-digit number. So two-digit number is what? So first you see in mind, what is the smallest two-digit number? So smallest two-digit number is what? 10. So simple trick, 1 and 1 0. If two-digit a smallest number, okay, and three-digit a smallest number, then 1 and 2 0. Four-digit a smallest number, 1 and 3 0. In the same way, my question is what? That is total number of two-digit. So total number of two-digit trick is what? Just to write 19 and only 10. That is 90. So 90 is the total number of two-digit number. This is the correct answer. In the same way, if anyone asks you, that means tell me total number of three-digit number. So total number of three-digit number is how much? Then total number of three-digit number is 9 and 20. That is 900. Okay. In the same way, mostly a student confuse about a place value and face value also. And sometimes this type of question generally asked also in the exams. What is the place value and face value? So always remember that is face value is what? That is actual value of the any digit. Like just like you see example 156. So this the one is one, five is five, six. So one is one face value is one, five face value is five, six face value is six. And when we talk about the place value, so just like you see 252. So 252, so unit digit is 2, tens digit is 5, and hundred digit is 2. So if the question is 252 and we are dealing with that is what is the place value. So if it's your first unit place 2, so place value 2 is first. And the second place value is what? That is 200. In the same way, we can see that, you know, so in the same way we can see that a lot of questions can be solved with the place value and face value. So sometimes there is a question, what is the difference, what is the difference of face value of any number in the given number. So if there is a difference of face value of two number in any given number, so that given number at any place, their face value will be what? Same. So difference will be always zero. See, if anyone asks you this question, give the difference of face value of 2, 3 in the given number, then always 0. If anyone asks you, what is the difference of face value of 2, 5 in a given number, always difference will be what? 0. In the same way, if anyone asks that, what is the sum of the face value of the two given number? So face value of the two given number. So always you see ki what is the number. Just like given, if what is the sum of face value of 3, 2, 3 in the given number. So 2, 3 is given. So 3 into 2, 6. Because first 3 face value 3 and second 3 number face value 3. So answer will be what? 3 plus 3, 6. So this is the correct answer. Okay. So in this way we will solve lot of questions in this. And in this way, so I think today this is the introductory class. From tomorrow we will start from the topic wise. First topic we will take, and after that we will continue the other classes. Now I am giving the example for other topics also. Just like you see, if we are dealing for the probability. Okay. So mostly a student confused in this topic, that is the probability. So first of all, you see what is the probability. So basic formula of probability is what? That is favorable outcome divided by total outcome. So what is favorable? Favorable means what we need, that is called favorable, and total, how much your total possibilities is the total outcome. So favorable outcome by total outcome is the probability of any event. So I am giving the example, just like you see, there is a coin. So if you throw the coin, you will get what? Head or tail. So if the question is, what if we throw a one coin, then what is the probability of coming one head? So you know my formula is what? Favorable outcome divided by total outcome. So first of see, what is favorable? We need head. So total outcome, when we throw the coin, we will get head or tail. So total outcome is what? 2, right? And now my favorable is what? Head. So head is only 1. So our correct answer will be what? 1 divide 2. That is 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Okay. In the same way, if the question is, if we throw the coin, so what is the probability that coin should tail? Again, the same question. My formula is what? Favorable outcome by total outcome. So favorable outcome again is what? That is one tail. So tail is one. So favorable is one. And total outcome will be what? There is a two outcome, either head, either tail. So total possibility is 2 and favorable is what? 1. So our correct answer is what? 1 by 2. Okay. In the same way, if we go for the other, you suppose you are taking two coin. So if you are taking two coin on a one times two coin throw, so if you will throw the two coin, then you will get what? So maybe one coin head, other coin tail. So maybe HT. And suppose maybe one coin tail and other coin head, then will be what? Tail head. In the same way you are telling, maybe one tail, other tail. So both will be what? Tail tail. And again, one coin head, other coin also head. So what will be? Head. So we understood that if we throw the coin, two coin at a time, right? If we throw the two coin at a time, we will get what? Four situations. Maybe head head, maybe tail tail, maybe head tail, or maybe tail head. So there are how much? There is a four possibilities. So total outcome is what? Four. Okay. And now you see, if there is a, now you see, if there is a what? If there is a condition question, what is the probability? What is the probability? What is the probability that if we throw the two coin, then both coins show tail. So if both coins show tail, and then we will get what? There is a one possibilities of both coin tail, right? So both coin tail one. So our answer will be what? 1 by 4. Okay. In the same way, if the question is what? If we throw the two coin, then what is the probability that there is a one tail and other head? Okay. After this, there is a condition you take. What is my favorable? So one head and one tail. So one head and one tail. So only one condition. So our answer will be what? 1 by 4 again. In the same way, if there is a question, at least At least one head. So mostly students confuse about it, at least one head. So if there is a at least one head, then we will check at least means what? Ki minimum one head should be. If there is a more head, it is okay. So but there should be a one head at least. So head tail have one head, it is okay. And tail head one head, it is okay. And head two head, it is also okay because there is a two head, at least we need one. But if there is a tail, so no head. So our favorable is what? 3. So my answer will be what? That is 3 by 4. Okay. So if you want to syllabus of the aptitudes, so you can write the syllabus. Okay. So you can write the syllabus just like first we will start, that is number system. Okay. So number system will be the first one, and second one will be percentage. Third we will start profit and loss, and fourth topic we will start ratio and proportion, and then speed, distance, time, and then simple interest and compound interest, and then average, and then age related problem, and then area section. Area section is very important section. In area section we will do lot of subtopics. Just like in area we will start rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, then right triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and then cube, cuboid, and then circle, sphere, cube, and cuboid. So these are the subtopics in area. We will solve all these topic with a basic concept and with a very important technique in every sections of area. This is the most important sections. Okay. And then there is a age related problem. So we will solve age related problem in a very interesting way. So 99% questions of age related problem we will solve by the option method, and every question we will solve by basic also. So you will become perfect in basic because trick comes from basic. If you will understood the basic concept, you can solve very easily, you can use your trick very easily. So age related problem we will do by a basic method, and you can say by technique method and option method also. Okay. In the same way, there is some questions. This is a reading topic. We will cover this topic also. That is the blood relation. So this question is generally in every exam there is a question of the blood relation. So we will do for this blood relation questions also. And then there is a number series. So we will start number series in a very good way because in every exam there is a number series. So in number series we will divide number series in a at least 8 to 10 types of questions. I will give you the technique for each type of the number series questions, that number series and letter series questions also. Okay, na? And in this way we will cover every topic. Okay. So just from tomorrow we will take class from the topic wise class will be done. Timing is 5 to 6 now. So there is a timing is 5 to 6. Okay, best of luck. So continue to watching and you share this our channel and continue to watch. Thank you.